In this video, I'll show you how to use the snipping tool in Windows 11. So I'll share with you everything that you need to know about using this, about using the picture mode as well as the video mode, exporting and saving your snips and also editing them as well. So let's jump into it. So first we need to find something we want to snip, whether that be a screen or an image, or if you want to record a video using the snipping tool, you can do that too. Now once you've found something to snip, you can then go ahead and open the snipping tool. Now the way I usually do that is by going to search and then typing in snipping tool. So if you just type it in, you will see it, but you might see it as well in your start menu. It could be pinned here, but just search for it. So I'm going to search here snipping tool and we can go ahead and click on it. That will open the snipping tool, and from here you can make sure that you're selected onto the right setting. So you've got photo and you've got video as well. You can go ahead and change the snipping mode, whether you want it to be in a rectangle, a window, do you want to snip the full screen, or do you want to create a freeform point where you can snip. You can also go to the delay and you can choose if you want to enable a delay for your snips. I'm going to go ahead and click new, and it's then going to open this cursor, and we can click and hold down on the cursor and you can essentially drag from point to point and snip that point that you're dragging. Now once you let go of the left click, it will then open up this image that you've created, and from here you can go ahead and edit the image. You can highlight text, you can draw on the image, and you can also save it as well. Now by default this will automatically be saved to your clipboard, so you can go ahead and paste it anywhere that you need to paste it. If you wanted to copy it and just make sure, you can click copy in the top right hand corner. You can also save this image using this save icon, and from here you can choose where you want to save your screenshot to. It will save in a PNG format. If you want to go ahead and edit and highlight the snip, you can do that down below here with the ballpoint pen or the highlighter. So let's go ahead and highlight. We can select a color, we'll select red. Maybe we want to highlight here photos, or maybe we want to use the ballpoint pen, which if we click on this downwards arrow you can customize, and maybe we want to use it to draw an arrow to the letter image. Now let's say we didn't like that, we could go ahead and use the eraser tool to just simply erase it as well. You've also got shapes you can add. You can choose different shapes and you can add an arrow here, for example. Mostly what I do though is use the ballpoint pen and the highlighter tool, but you can use any of these if you need to. Then if you wanted to save your image, you can save it in the top right up here. If you want to just redo it, click new and you can redo your snip here if you've got it wrong. And then finally, if you want to record video, which you can do in snipping tool, click on the video button, then click new. Then you can either highlight if you want to record your whole screen, the whole screen, or if you just want to record a specific segment, choose the segment you want to highlight. You can move this around and you can then click on start and it will start recording. You can also choose the microphone, and you can choose whether you want to mute system audio. Then click start and it's then going to count down, and here you can use the snipping tool to record your screen, and when you're done click on stop recording, and then it will give you an option to save it in the top right, just like it would if it was a normal snip. So that is how you can use it. I hope that video did help you out.